In this video, you'll learn about a frustrating issue that many Facebook advertisers face. That is why Facebook disables or bans your ad account. Before we talk about that, let's try and understand what Facebook really wants. Facebook wants their user to stay on their platform as much as they can and to have a good user experience. That is all they want. Somebody advertising on Facebook is their customer, and somebody using their platform is their product. Facebook's real product are the people that are using their platform. They absolutely want all their users to have good experience on their platform, and they want those users to be on the platform as long as they can. Facebook don't want any advertisers doing things that will put the users off and take them away from the platform. That's why Facebook really police their platform really well. If Facebook thinks your ad will put off somebody, that is, if you are not within the guidelines of their advertising policy, they could reject your ad, they could ban or disable your ad account. Now, if you'd like to see Facebook ad policy, I've put the link in the description. You can also type Facebook advertising policy on Google and find the link from there. Now, there are basically two reasons why Facebook may disable or ban ad account. Reason number one, violation of Facebook's advertising policies. Reason number two is your ad account can get flagged due to unusual activities. So let's discuss number one, which is violation due to not following ad policies. So this one you're gonna see on the ad policy. If you'd like to see this, everybody should absolutely go through this several times to understand. I strongly recommend this. So let's see some of the really important things. Number one is don't imply or assert any personal attribute that will include religion, age, gender identity, or financial status. Number B, don't use sexually suggestive content or nudity in your ads. Number C, don't use Facebook or Instagram or WhatsApp's brand identity. D, don't advertise anything illegal. Number E, don't use sensational content. Number F, don't use the non-functional landing page. There are more ones, but I have just discussed some of the common ones why Facebook disable ad accounts or they reject ad in the first place. To find out more, please check the advertising policies, go through them multiple times. Now let's discuss number two, that is Facebook will flag an account or will ban an account because they think some unusual activity is going on in that ad account. So some of the points are, number A, if we drastically increase the budget, let's say for example from $100 a day to $3,000 a day, so Facebook will become suspicious. So when my partner's ad account got hacked, we were doing ads by spending let's say $800 to $1,000 per day. But as soon as the ad account got hacked and the hackers were inside the ad account, all the campaigns that were running, they were set at $10,000 per day. So there is a drastic increase in budget and Facebook becomes suspicious of this. Number B, loads of ad has recently got disapproved. In your ad account, if many ads get disapproved, that will be a problem. Number C, changing your payment method often. So in ideal scenario would be have a payment method and not to change it, or have a payment method and have a backup payment method and let Facebook take the money when they are supposed to be billing. Don't change your payment method often. Number D, creating ads from multiple IP addresses. Now this is not confirmed. I've heard of stories where things were created from multiple IP addresses, ad accounts got disabled. But I don't know the real story over here. I just heard from different people working within an ad account that creating ads from multiple addresses can get an ad account banned. But take this with a pinch of salt and be careful of this. I've put this here because of the stories. Number E, payment method billing country doesn't match the location you are creating ads from. Now this also I've heard from a few people. I don't know exactly whether it's true or not. The people I've heard, mainly they were doing dropshipping stores. So if their ad account got disabled because of this reason, that I'm not really sure. If it was for something else, I'm not really sure. So the dropshippers were from US, let's say, and they were visiting Thailand or Singapore or the Eastern countries, and their ad account was getting disabled. But whether the ad account was getting disabled for exact this reason or maybe some other reason, perhaps for circumventing their ad policies, that I am not too sure. Now the main fix is if the ad account get disabled, you're going to contact Facebook support, explain your story. If these are minor issues, they will give back your ad accounts. If ad account got banned due to major issues, that might become a bit of challenging, or they will tell you what are the next steps is gonna be. So that's it for today. Understanding the reasons can help you to avoid common pitfalls and keep your ad account in good condition. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comment.